just did the full detail on this classic Buick. So we restored the paint. This charcoal color is a color that needs to be kept up on. So I'm glad they called me. I did the inner wheel wells, of course. See, get them back to new as possible again, and clean the tires. Put a nice protective dressing on the tires. We always clean inside of the wheel well. I mean, inside of the inner rim, and do the rims as well as possible. Clean the windows inside and out, of course. All of the plastic and rubber has been restored. Inside and outside, all of this rubber. This rubber, very important. Even inside there has to be restored. Wheel wells always get special treatment. Excuse me, no, door jambs. These are door jambs. The wheel wells get that too, but the door jambs need to be spotless as much as we can. And this leather has been cleaned and treated with UV protectant, front and back, including the back seats and a console. This carpet has been shampooed. It's still a little bit wet, but it will dry soon. We got all the stains out of it. There was rust stains in there, no problem getting those out. Detailing underneath the seats, as well as they usually come out really good. So these here, these tracks, little vents under the seats. I use a toothbrush for that. Doors, even the rubber here. All of this plastic too, including, these edges are very important too. They get a lot of wear and tear from the UV rays, so they need to be restored, once a year at least. So this buffed out really nicely. This isn't. I do this. I inspect this before I leave every day. Has to pass a pretty rigorous inspection. These seats are cleaned and treated. Front carpet has been shampooed also. The mats are hanging up. They've been washed and treated too. Need to do open the trunk and do the rim around the edges of the trunk too. That's for the last thing we have to do. You think you can? It's on the key. Just open up the trunk, and yeah, the hood and the roof and the trunk area was the trunk was very difficult to do. It had to be buffed out, but it turned out good, as you could see. We do the windshield wipers, blades, and the wipers themselves, the front tray, This had to be fully restored. It was in some pretty interesting shape, should I put it like that, but it restored real well. Had to pull it into the garage because of the weather. There's the trunk. It's been vacuumed. We're going to go ahead and do around the rims and the edges. It's already been cleaned. It just needs a little protectant dressing, and we'll be doing that. The Port Angeles-Sequim Faithful Angel Pet Care and Cleaning Service lady will be doing that. And you can find her on Google, Facebook, YouTube, World Wide Web. Just look up Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington, Faithful Angel Pet Care Cleaning Services. She'll clean your house windows for you. Watch your pet while you're out of town. Do some house cleaning if you need it. And you can find the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, World Wide Web. Hundreds of videos, motorhomes, you name it. Have a great day.